So guys, I was telling you guys that I ordered parts for my car, and we got a couple things here. I have yet to open it. We're gonna open it together. I'm actually gonna go outside to my car, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and check these out. These are a few things that I ordered for my car, and I want to show you guys. Yeah, if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, and let's go downstairs. Richie, open the door, bro. I can't. So we got the sexy beast right here. Say hello. Oh, she didn't want to say nothing. But so I ordered some paddle shifters for my car. I got them blue because I wanted to match my brakes. This is what they look like, guys. Damn, they're bigger than I thought. Like, they look way smaller on video, or not on video, but like, damn, and they're hard as. Oh, it's metal. I thought it was like plastic. You kill somebody with, you stab somebody with this shit. But yeah, they do match. Okay, maybe they. Oh, maybe that. It's just dirty as hell. But let's go ahead and check it out. Where are my keys at? Alright, pull it up. Let's see. It's open? What's up, man? Bro, but y'all hear that? Look. This shit is dead ass metal. Oh, no. Oh, that shit gonna look crazy. It's gonna look mean, bruh. Oh, shit. Let me see. Look, guys. So you guys can see what they're gonna look like. Oh, oh my God. I'm ready to take off now. My parts are all arriving at like different times, but the one I'm most excited for is my like kit. So I got like a front lip, back lip, no, what is it called? Rear diffuser. I got a spoiler coming as well, and I think sorry skirts and all that. So let me know what else you guys think I should do to my car. I'm trying to wrap it, but that's gonna be last because I don't really need to do it right now. So
is it sticking?
yeah, it's thick now. It's stuck now. Hot ass breath, nigga. Oh my God, that shit really gave it a whole different look already, bro. There we go. Bro, that shit does give it a different look though. Diablo. That shit is about to go from 400 horsepower to 700 with this shit. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think though? Does it look nice or does it look like too much? Nah, it looks nice, I think. I wish it was like a cover that it would actually cover this. Like it would like slide on, man. Like a slide on shit that you just slide it on there instead of fucking seeing two pluses. Like, nigga, I know it's a plus and minus. Vroom, vroom. Oh my God.
How you looking there?
I look like a mechanic. Everybody be telling me that I look like a mechanic, but that's because I just got out of work, my man. So y'all can't. I look like a mechanic driving a BMW. That's a good thing, if you ask me. Boom. Slowly it's coming through. I'm telling you guys, I was gonna do all this stuff to my car. Where's the garbage? Yo, what are you doing, bro? Right here. Yeah, they don't need to see that. Oh. Nah, it does look nice though. Y'all can't cap. Alright. The next thing that I got is in this box right here. What it is though, I don't know. We're about to find out right now. How can I open this shit though? This thing?
Well, you don't got a knife, guys.
You gotta use my cepillo. This is what I brush my teeth with. But I just leave it here because I like it cold in the morning.
This is what mechanics be doing.
OD, bro, mechanic shit. I didn't tell you guys. I got a new car. I got a Mercedes too. So look, I got that Mercedes.
You also got a Ford.
And I got a Ford too. And
you got a car right there.
A Honda. And I got a minivan too. So it's all there. What is
and a
this?
school bus just passing by.
OD, what is this? Oh, this is for work. Yeah, this don't matter. Nobody cares about work. Alright, this box though is another little toy that I got for my car. Who opens the box from the bottom? I do. It's easier. So I got some side mirrors. Basically, those will go right here, and it's gonna look like that. Oh my, that already gives it a different look. Now the only problem is, I have no fucking idea how to take these things off. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to hop on YouTube and we're gonna learn together. So, shit. So guys, don't go nowhere. I'll be right back. We're about to hop on YouTube and figure out how the hell to take this shit off, alright? Alright, you guys. So, I was watching videos and they said the worst time to even do this is when it's cold. Well, fuck, it's cold. And they have some tools, some pliers or something like that. I have a fork. What are you gonna do with this shit? I mean... ¿Eh? A cambiarle esto. Mándale esto. No, pues yo tengo que quitarle esto. Eso yo lo puedo quitar así, pero se puede romper. Yo tengo que sacarle esto y después sacarle esto. Rosley, no debe estar hablando contigo.
Oh my god, my car is so dirty. Baby, wash my car.
Oh shit, I did it, guys. Woo! Let's go! Whoop whoop! Bro, that was scary, bro. I keep thinking I was gonna. Oh my god.
And what you did it with?
Huh?
What you did it with?
What you need to spend money when you got a fork in your house, boy? Like I said, have this and this and this. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna have a fork. But now I just gotta unclip it. Oh, we lit, baby.
Special item.
Oh, this. So now you just push this in. There you go. Damn, my hands is cold. Fuck. So now we're gonna do. The fuck, dusty. Diablo, que frío, loco. Corre. Hop on, motherfucker. Alright, so now we're gonna put this one in there. Just gotta line up in that. Right there, that's lined up. That's lined up. And that's lined up. Woo! You gotta come outside to look at it, nigga.
But you acting like you can't grab it.
And now we're gonna put this back, guys. Again, clips are all intact, which is great. So this is the before. So this is what it looks like before, guys. And then, damn, somebody hit it with a rock. And then this is what it looks like after we hit. What y'all think? So you guys see the one over there, the black one, and then you have the white one. So now let's go ahead and do the other side. Alright, sure guys, so I finished installing the mirror caps thing. So this is what it looks like on both sides. Yeah, we got a little problem though. So while I was taking off the mirror, right? The fucking mirror broke, guys.
He needs
How about
some
that?
milk.
And this mirror cost like $300. Ah, shit. It had to happen to me too. It was going so smooth until it wasn't. So now I gotta go find where the fuck I'm gonna go buy a mirror and drop another $300 for no reason. But yeah, guys. So it is fucking what it is. Now I'm about to get on the computer, figure out where I can find this mirror. Hopefully I can find somewhere that I can do it today because I don't want to wait. And yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. That is it though. I'm gonna be obviously waiting for the other parts to arrive. If you guys enjoy, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. For rest in peace mirror. Now I gotta go buy a new one. And yeah guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.